Hello and good afternoon. Here's Uta, as I promised you yesterday, with a different blend of tea. But please, pretty please, like, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much. So today we are talking about the tea blend I created for the kids. That doesn't mean that you cannot drink it. It's just with different ingredients which are more effective for the kids' needs. So the one from yesterday I called Moonlight, and this one from today, especially for the children, I call it just lung support. It's again in a 50 gram bag. So yesterday we talked about the ingredients from the Moonlight tea. So in the lung support, which I more or less specially created for children, they have the same ingredients. So Moonlight is in there, marshmallow is in there, and ginger is in there. So the different herbs I put in this tea blend. Oh, my tea is ready. So let me show you the color from. It's a little bit more colorful like the one yesterday, and I explain to you why. Different taste, but very, very delicious. So Moonlight, marshmallow, and ginger are also in the tea blend what we're talking about today. So I also put, and it's again like yesterday, 7 different tea blends, herbs, roots in the lung support tea. I put in Elecampaign. This is maybe you have seen this. It's a yellow orangish flower. It's a weed, and it helps for lung disease, asthma, bronchitis, and the whooping cough. Additional to the blend from yesterday, I put in calendula. It's more or less, let me show it to you, the blend. So calendula, I put in there because the kids are eating and drinking with their eyes, and the color yellow is a little bit more interesting for the kids together with the chamomile, and they can see, oh, it's colorful. It doesn't look like a medicine. Yeah, it's just helping the kids, the children. Sorry, I always said kids. The children to enjoy the tea when you make it fresh for them. So, oh yeah, it's yellow. That's pretty. So like this. I also put in, beside calendula, the yellow flower, echinacea. Echinacea is well known, and I have a video about the tincture we have just with echinacea, and I put echinacea root and leaves in this blend from today. Echinacea, as you know, is positive for immune and respiratory system, supports Moonlight. Moonlight is one of these herbs here. So Echinacea is supporting, like yesterday I said, some of the herbs, I would like to say they talk to each other and they know what benefits they have, so they support each other. So Echinacea is supporting mullein and elecampane. So these are working together more or less hand in hand, as we would say. And I also put in this blend from today, I put chamomile in it. And I was talking a little bit about it yesterday. One second. The taste from the chamomile is more or less covering the taste from all the other herbs, which is good for the kids, because the kids, again, children, they are maybe used to chamomile tea if they have a tummy ache or they are not feeling well. So as I said yesterday, this chamomile I put in this tea blend because the kids have different reaction. They cannot take the flu or this RSV virus we talked yesterday. If they have issue to breathe or they have a fever, they are totally out of function and they are getting anxious and more or less afraid because they cannot properly breathe and everything. And this is the only reason I put chamomile in this tea blend, and that's why I said this tea blend I would rather give to the kids. The other one with mullein from yesterday, you can give the kids as well. But here I put this chamomile in it just for this experience, that they are afraid and anxious and I can breathe and I am not feeling well and crying and you're more or less, oh my God, I have a tea here, but they don't want to drink it because it's not their taste and all this things you have as experience when your children are sick. So in chamomile in this tea blend is in there to keep the kids calm. So they are more relaxed, they are more taking it easier and smooth, because chamomile is known that it's keeping you this relaxing, calming benefits. And this is the only reason, beside the taste, that I put this in this tea blend from today. But the chamomile, this is why the color is a little bit more yellowish golden like it was yesterday, because this is from the chamomile. But still absolutely delicious. So I don't know, I could switch around between a cup of tea from the mullein tea yesterday and this one, because the taste is different, but it's both of them, it's delicious. One second. Perfect. All right. Again, in this tea, to follow up, we have again 7 herbs / roots. We have, let me show it to you so you have it in the picture. I put in this tea blend mullein, elecampane, marshmallow, calendula, echinacea, chamomile, and ginger, right? And yesterday I forgot, maybe you don't know, this is ginger, how it looks like before you dry it. You can eat it fresh as it is right now. I mean, it's not really my taste, but it's an option. Okay, so as yesterday, I hope you're all well and you don't have any respiratory infection or cough or fever, or you're not feeling well. I wish you a speedy recovery if you're not feeling well. Please, if you have any question, as usual, give me a call, write me a message or just stop by here in our shop. All right, I'm here today till 5. Otherwise, you can order online over our website store, and we are open 7 days a week. All right, you're waiting for it, aren't you? You. I'm not a doctor. I cannot and I will not give you any medical advice. I am your master herbalist, and I'm here to help you with all the benefits from all the different herbs I can talk to you about, benefiting your own health. And as I said yesterday, I can make your own tea blend. If you have a special need, we can talk to each other and find different herbs for a special tea for you. All right, but today, here, you see it up there again. This is the tea blend, and I call this tea blend lung support, but keep in mind it's specially made because of the different ingredients for the children. But you can drink it as an adult as well. Show you again. Here we are. Perfectly fine, delicious, and a different taste like the tea I had yesterday, but totally delicious. And I said yesterday, I'm normally not a tea drinker. I love my coffee. Not healthy, yeah, I know, but I have to say I maybe switch a little bit around. More tea than coffee, I will see. But these two from today and from yesterday are really, really delicious. All right? So, excuse me. I wish you a wonderful day, and it's cold today, so stay healthy, stay warm. This was Ute from Utes-Herbal-Corner, your local master herbalist. I see you soon. Talk to you tomorrow. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.